Hey, what's going on, guys? This tutorial will show you how to build a calculator in C++ using code blocks. It's very simple, not a big deal, as long you're familiar with switch statements or if and else. You should be good to go. You don't need to know any other advanced stuff. So let's start. Hash include IOStream using namespace std and main return 0. I like to have return 0 at the end of my main program. Alright, so we're going to have three variables, float, num1, num2, actually result as well, result, and we're going to have our character or operator. There we go. Alright, let's say operator. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to be using do while because it's you can use while too, but I like to use do while loop here. Let's display something like basic calculator. There we go. Inline. Have another inline right here. Okay, now let's start the do while loop. Here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the do while, and this program will run. This loop will run until while num1 is not equal to 0. Run the above program. Here we go. That's our do while, and let's say cout, enter first number, enter first number or 0 or 0 to quit. Here we go. So if you enter 0, it's not going to do anything. It's going to just quit. It's going to break the loop. That's it. So cn num1 pick operator. Nothing fancy. No sine and cosine or logarithm or stuff like that. It's not a logarithmic calculator or a scientific calculator, just a basic calculator. Pick operator, but I am going to use my PEMDAS. Division. See, there we go. I know my PEMDAS, right? There. Do I have to inline? Let me see if no, I don't have to inline. There we go. OPR for operator. Oh, actually we didn't operate operator. Oops, that's misspell. There we go. Oh, okay. Let's go use OPR. There we go. Okay. So now what we're going to do we're gonna ask for the second number. Enter number. I can enter second number. Here we go. CIN num2. There. So we got our information, and let's say, you know what? Let's use it right here. So what we're gonna do here, that condition, we're gonna add a condition. If user enters 0, then the program will quit. Otherwise, it will keep running. If num1 is equal to 0, then cout. Thank you for using this program. Goodbye, or something like that. Goodbye. Break out of the loop. There. Okay, so we got everything, but now we're gonna use switch statement. So switch. What do we switch? We switch operator, OPR. There we go. So case what? Multiplication. Case multiplication right here. Colon. Result equals num1 multiplication num2. There we go. And our break, if you don't break, it's gonna keep going. It's gonna execute the next case. So don't forget the break. Case division colon result equal num1 divide num2. Again, don't forget the break. Case addition colon result. You know what? Let me type this, and I'm gonna make it much easier. Let me copy this. There, I should have done this at the beginning. Don't forget the break here. There you go. So this is our subtraction. Hey, at least, you know. Okay, so now we're gonna use our default. So for default, what are we gonna do? Cout. Maybe the user doesn't pick these operators, so we're gonna say wrong entry. Here we go. Something like that. So do it. Alright. So this should be it. This should do it. Let me see. I don't think there's any. Oh, actually, there's a very important part, which is your switch statement should be in parentheses, or these brackets, whatever you call it. Let me see if that's okay. It's not in do while yet. This should be your switch. Okay, now your display should be outside the switch. Let's see, num1. Oh, I'm gonna use this, you know what, just to make it nice. Num1 oops, okay. There we go. Num1 OPR for operator. Just another space. Num2. Now I'm going to use another space. So num1 plus num2 equals. Okay, Okay, let's use equal here. Equal result in line there. I'm gonna use this one more end line just to have a better display. Let's run the program. Hopefully there's no issue. Yep. Okay, calculator, enter first number or 0 to quit. I'm gonna enter 10, pick operator, plus the second number, 10. There we go. 10 plus 10 equals 20, indeed. So, as you see, the program does not quit. It's because of that. It's because of this do while. Here we go. This program will run until you enter 0. Let's use that. Let's go for, let's test all the operators. 2 multiply. Oops. Okay, this always gets me. Okay, there we go. 4. And let's enter 10. Divide by 2. There we go. 5. Subtract. Let's 5 subtraction 2 should be 3. There we go. What else? Hey, I'm done. Thank you for using this program. Goodbye. There we go. If you want to make it nice and clean, we can enter like inline over here right after this, or right here before the thank you. I don't have to do that. This is it. So building a calculator is much easier. It's a basic calculator, not something fancy. So this is it. Well, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please like my video, and if you could subscribe, I would appreciate it. Have a wonderful time.